First things first, to shoot your support, a quick one. If you have a washing machine, I need you to do this. Locate the soap dispenser. Pull this out. Are you happy? Are you happy with that? Fine. Come here. Pull the gasket like this. Are you happy? Come here. Close the water tap. Open this. That is the filter. Are you happy? Are you happy? You don't have to open there. I insist on this. Yeah, people talk about high-end machines, expensive machines, durable machines, machines meant for borehole water, hard water. There's no machine made for borehole water or hard water. Getting yourself a very expensive machine won't prevent such. Yo, book for maintenance. You need a durable machine. Do the right thing. This one is quite dirty, but it's a brown. Almost 5 years. 7 kgs. We have people who have this so-called high-end washing machines. 1 year down, they are gone. So it all goes down to how you use and protect your washing machine. You see 7 kgs, bearings are still intact. The drum is still intact. And it's a 7 kgs. She has been using it well. So what I'm saying is this. Get the right capacity. Book for maintenance. Do the basics like cleaning the soap dispenser compartment, the rubber. Get a washing machine cover, protect your machine. The brand doesn't matter. It will give you good service. Don't play yourself. You can always hit me up if you're in Nairobi, Kiambu and parts of Machakos, Limuru, Kajiado, and you're also in Kisumu. I'm out.